Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and at the very bottom right, tap on that profile button. Now you can see I have a professional dashboard indicating that I have a business or creator account. Before you make your account private, you need to switch from a professional account to a private account or a personal account. So let's tap on those three lines at the top right. And then we're going to scroll down until you find, there it is, account type and tools. You can see I have a professional account. Again, I need to switch to a personal account. So tap on that. And then I'm going to choose switch account type right here and then switch to a personal account. Now, after I switch to a personal account, that is when I can make my account private. Keep in mind, again, if you have a business account or a creator account, you cannot make your account private. After you've done that, let's go back out of here. And within your settings, you might need to swipe down and refresh it. But now you'll be able to see towards the bottom there is account privacy, and it's currently set to public. I can tap on that and I can toggle this on to make it private. And it says switch this account to private. I can just turn it on. And keep in mind, when I go back out of here, I might want to go to my followers list. And on anybody on here that you don't want to be able to see your account, you can always hit the little X and hit remove follower so that they'll no longer be able to see your posts, your photos, all of that stuff.